Dozens of people have been arrested in Louisville as protests continued over the weekend there. This comes after no one was directly charged with the death of Breonna Taylor. The one former Louisville Metro Police detective who was charged in the case is due in court today. Alex Valverde joins us now with this continuing coverage.
Saturday marked the fourth night of protests in Louisville. People upset over the grand jury's decision in the Breonna Taylor case. Former Louisville Metro Police Detective Brett Hankinson was charged with 3 counts of wanton endangerment for blindly firing shots in neighboring apartments during the raid at Taylor's home in March. He's due in court today. Hankinson was the only officer charged in the case and not directly with Taylor's death. One local church leader says during times like these, the community has to hold someone accountable for the wrongdoings in the city.
At this particular time, has not even taken the opportunity and given the decency to even speak Breonna's name in a almost an hour and a half message from our Attorney General. There's something inherently wrong with the insensitivities the government is demonstrating, and that now young people in a pandemic have to go out into the street and others to spend time saying this is wrong.
And many did hit the streets. One group gathered near Jefferson Square Park Saturday and was relatively peaceful through the night. They left as law enforcement arrived to enforce the city's 9 p.m. curfew. But in other parts of the city, demonstrations became violent. Police captured video of protesters setting fires and vandalizing buildings. And dozens of people have been arrested since the decision, including State Representative Attica Scott, the sponsor of Breonna's law, which would ban no-knock warrants across Kentucky. And she claims police set her up for arrest.
None of us should have been arrested. None of the hundreds of people who have been arrested this week should have been arrested. But we're being set up. They are setting us up to be arrested. They told us when we were at the library, turn around. And when we tried to turn around, they said, circle them, circle them. And then told us to sit down while they pointed their guns in our faces like they were ready to kill us.
It's not yet known if Hankinson will appear virtually during his hearing or if his attorney will appear on his behalf. Alex Valverde, LEX 18 News.